Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this comprehensive video, I'm going to give you the ultimate walkthrough from the initial sign up to the final published link on exactly how to use Wix to create a professional, stunning portfolio website in 2025. This isn't just about putting up a few pictures. This is about building a robust online hub that effectively showcases your talents to clients, recruiters, and the entire world. Whether you're an artist, a freelance writer, a digital designer, an architectural modeler, or anyone who needs to clearly and beautifully showcase their work, you can build a sleek, functional website, even if you have absolutely zero coding or technical design experience. We're going to use the power of Wix's intuitive drag and drop editor to accomplish this together. We'll cover everything in detail: the strategic importance of template selection, deep customization of the design, the best practices for uploading your media, how to cleanly integrate your detailed resume, tips for optimizing your site for mobile traffic, and finally, the simple process of getting your site published and ready to share. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a site that not only looks professional, like this example here, but also functions perfectly, ready to share with clients, potential employers, and collaborators. If you're serious about building your own high-quality professional online portfolio today, stick with me and let's get started right now. We are going to be building our entire portfolio on Wix. Wix is widely considered one of the most accessible, easiest, and most beginner-friendly website builders available today, making it ideal for creative portfolios where presentation is key but coding knowledge is not. To begin, what you'll want to do is navigate to the official Wix website. Once there, look for the prominent Get Started or Create Your Site button and initiate the account creation process. To streamline this process and save time, you can opt to simply click Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, which uses existing credentials. Alternatively, you can sign up with a dedicated professional email address and a strong password. Since I already have an account established, I'm going to quickly log in and meet you on the dashboard. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your My Sites homepage, which acts as your main dashboard for all your projects. This is where our project truly begins. To initiate the creation of our portfolio, click on the large Create New Site button. Wix will prompt you with a question about the type of website you intend to create. For a professional portfolio, I highly recommend bypassing the automated ADI creation tool and clicking Other, then selecting Choose a Template. Taking this path, using a pre-designed professional template, is the fastest and most efficient way to achieve a high-quality, sophisticated look without having to design the entire layout from scratch. You will now land on the extensive template library, which contains literally hundreds of professionally designed options across every conceivable industry. To quickly filter down to the most relevant designs for us, navigate to the search bar located in the top right corner and simply type in the keyword portfolio. Wix will instantly filter and display all the templates specifically optimized and structured for showcasing creative work. Take your time, seriously, take a few minutes to carefully scroll through the pages and find a template whose aesthetic and layout truly resonate with your personal style and professional brand. For example, if you are a video editor, you might prefer a template with large video sections. If you are a fashion designer, you might look for one with elegant full-screen photography galleries. A critical time-saving tip here: before you finalize your selection, click View and then View Full Demo to explore the template's features, navigation, and overall flow in a full browser window. This is crucial because once you choose a template and begin customizing it, you cannot easily switch the entire structure to a completely different template later on the same site. Choose wisely, ensuring the structure supports your needs. Once you've found the perfect layout, I'm going to proceed with this clean, modern-looking design. Simply click the Edit button. This action will load up the incredibly robust and powerful Wix website editor, which is where we will now perform all of our customization. This part might take a brief moment depending on your connection, so I'll wait until the editor is fully loaded. Alright, we are now fully immersed in the Wix editor, and you can clearly see the template we chose is displayed here, ready to be modified. The sole objective now is to methodically replace every piece of placeholder content, the stock photos, the example text, the temporary links, with your own professional assets and information. First, let's address the most immediate piece of text, your introduction. Where the template says, "Hey, I'm Daniel Martinez," simply click on the text box. A small menu will pop up. Click Edit Text. Here, you will type in your full, real name and your professional title. For instance, instead of the placeholder actor and performer, you might precisely type in freelance senior full stack developer or award-winning portrait photographer. Take a moment to adjust the font size, color, and style using the available controls to ensure it aligns perfectly with your desired brand aesthetic. To quickly check how your changes look without all the editing controls cluttering the screen, click the preview button at the very top of the editor. This is a crucial step for constant quality checking. It looks great, but naturally it's missing your face. Let's change that placeholder photo immediately. Select the image area and locate the option for Change Column Background or Change Image. You have two primary choices. You can click Upload Media to bring in your own professional headshot or portrait from your computer. Always prioritize a high quality, high resolution image. This is your first impression. Once you select your image, click Change Background and the visual element will instantly update on your site. If you find that the image is slightly off center or zoomed in too much, click the settings icon on the image element. You can then use the intuitive crop and resize tool to zoom in or slide the image over until it sits perfectly within the frame. Click Save, and that entire first section, the crucial introductory area, is now flawlessly branded to you. Now, let's delve into the subsequent content sections of the template. Moving down to the About Me section, click on the placeholder text box and click Edit Text. Your task here is to write a concise, compelling, and professional bio about yourself, your background, your philosophy, and what specialized services or skills you offer. Remember to keep this section brief and engaging. Aim for no more than 3 to 5 strong sentences. This is a teaser because the View Full Resume button beneath is where people will find all of your in-depth credentials and history. Speaking of, this View Full Resume button is a critical navigational link. The template is automatically set up to link this button to a lightbox, which is essentially a beautifully designed pop-up window, or in some templates, a dedicated separate resume page. We'll customize that lightbox shortly. Now for the heart of your portfolio, showcasing your work. This is the main event. For the show reel or video-based content section, click on the video area and select Manage Videos. Here, you can click Add Videos, and you have two great options. You can upload large video files directly from your computer, or more efficiently, for speed and quality, you can link directly to your professionally hosted videos on external platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Dedicate some time here to curate and upload only your best, most representative, and most recent work. For the photos or image gallery section, click on the gallery element and select Manage Media. Immediately delete all the templates, these stock photos. Then click Upload to import all of your own best visual work. A strong suggestion, only upload your final, perfected work, ensuring every image is a testament to your highest skill level. Avoid personal snapshots or low-resolution images. Make this area visually stunning and easy to navigate so people can quickly understand the quality and comprehensive range of your skills. The principle here is simple. Let your impressive work speak for itself. Next, we must address a super important consideration in modern web design: mobile optimization. In the Wix editor, look for the little phone icon located near the top middle of the screen. Click on it. This view instantly shows you exactly how your beautiful new website appears on a typical smartphone screen. Given that the majority of web traffic today comes from mobile devices, you absolutely must ensure everything looks clean, loads fast, and is easy to read. Wix is generally excellent at automatic optimization, but occasionally you might need to manually resize a font, slightly adjust the spacing, or move an image element to prevent overlap. Take the time to fine-tune this now before publishing. Finally, the essential context section. This is absolutely critical for lead generation and getting hired. Click Edit Text to meticulously update all the placeholder information. You must include your current professional title, your name, a readily available professional email address, and a reliable phone number so potential clients or recruiters can reach you directly and immediately. If you operate through an agent, manager, or studio, this is also the ideal professional place to list their contact information and role. Before we hit that final publish button, let's quickly customize that all-important resume section. Remember the View Full Resume button? We need to edit the content it reveals. To do this from the Wix editor, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Menus and Pages. Then select Lightboxes just below the main site pages menu. You'll see the resume lightbox listed, which you can click to open and edit. This action will open the pop-up window directly in the editor. Now you can meticulously change basic details, but most importantly, you must edit the text sections to put in your detailed work experience, relevant education, specific skills, and professional accomplishments. This template has a great feature that lets people download your resume as a PDF file, so make absolutely certain to link that button to your most up-to-date, ready-to-print resume document. This functionality ensures recruiters can instantly grab a physical copy of your credentials. Once you've fully customized your homepage, uploaded all your media, perfected your bio, updated your resume, and thoroughly checked the mobile view, you are officially ready to go live. Go to the top right corner of the editor and decisively click Publish. Wix will present you with options for your final domain name. If you choose the complimentary free plan, your web address will automatically look something like your username.wixsite.com/your-site-name. This is functional and works perfectly fine. You can send this specific link to clients right now, and your site is immediately live and accessible online. However, if you are seeking to look the most professional, establish clear brand ownership, and crucially, remove all the Wix branding and embedded advertisements, you must click Upgrade Now and purchase one of Wix's premium plans. This strategic investment allows you to connect a custom, professional branded domain name like www.yourname.com. For a serious portfolio, I consistently recommend either the Lite or Core plan, as they grant you everything essential for a high-traffic, professional online presence, including an ad-free site, plenty of storage for your media, and that critical custom domain. Once you've made your final choice and confirmed the publication, congratulations. Your professional online portfolio is fully live and searchable. You can now click View Site to see your finished world-ready product. If this complete and detailed video helped you successfully create your own professional online portfolio using Wix, please do me a huge favor and leave a like on the video and subscribe for more comprehensive tutorials. If you have any remaining questions about the Wix editor, advanced mobile optimization, gallery settings, or anything else, please let me know by leaving a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Happy Wix using.